Okay, dear students, today we will see sheet number 8. Sheet number 8, question number A. Sheet number 8, question number A. So there are two circles given. Okay, so radius 1. First circle radius is how much? 25. R2. Second circle radius is how much? 12. And distance between them, يعني مسافة بين الدائرات 50. So first let's do this. What you have to do, take a scale, keep here and draw a line of 50. Okay, from 0 to 5. So this is the line. So what are the ends of this line indicates? These are the centers of the circle. Okay, so the first circle radius is how much? 25. First circle radius 25. So take the compass and adjust the radius to 25. Okay, like this. Adjust the radius to 25. After adjusting it, keep it in the left side and draw a circle. Okay, so right side, the second circle radius is how much? 12. So take the scale, adjust the radius to 12, adjust the compass to 12, like this. Okay, 12. Now keep it in the right side and draw a circle. Now here there is a curvature and also here there is a curvature. So what is the difference between the curvature? Okay, now the curvature is like this, but we have seen a curvature like this. Okay, so there is no difference between them. Just rotate it upside down, then it will become the same thing you want. There are two circles, circle 1, circle 2, and the curvature is in this manner. So which curvature is this? Same curvature. Okay, so here the radius of curvature is given in the figure as 80. Radius of curvature, okay, I will write it as radius of R curvature same side. How much? It is given as 80. Okay, radius of curvature same side 80. Okay, this curvature is, we want 80. So everything is similar, but the markers will be upside. The center of the circle, the center of the big circle will be upside here. Okay, so let's write the formulas first. Here for the left side, what is the formula? R center equal to R curvature minus R1. R center equal to R curvature minus R1. Okay, so R curvature is given as 80 minus R1 is 25. So the result will be how much? 55. Here R center equal to R curvature minus R2. R curvature is 80, R2 is 12. Okay, now it will be how much? 58. No, 68. Okay, 68. Okay, so now the curvature is like this. The curvature is like this. The center is upside. So first what we did, the center was lying outside like this. Yani we have to draw two arcs, one arc here and one arc in the downsides. Okay, but now because the center is upside, we will draw the arcs upside. Okay, like this. Let's see. First is how much? 55. Left side. Arrange the compass. Measure 55 on the scale. So this is 55. Okay, take 55 and keep it here. Draw a arc here like this. Okay, now from the right side you have to measure 68. Okay, now keep it here and measure how much? 68. So this is 68. Okay, so now keep it right side and make an arc. Okay, so this intersection point, this point is nothing but the this point is nothing but this point, the center of the big circle. Okay, so now you have to draw a curvature like this. So what is the radius of curvature? R curvature, radius of curvature is given as 80. Same. Okay, now you have to measure 80 and draw a arc. Draw an arc. Now measure 80. Okay, you have to measure exactly. Okay, now keep it here. And draw a smooth arc between these two. Okay, simply draw an arc like this. Okay, now so this is of same side. Now you can see there are two circles and the curvature is finished. This is the same side. Now there is one more curvature here. The curvature here, what is the radius of curvature? Given as 40. Radius of curvature 40. So now, this is not same side. Let's check how it look like. See, this is also one circle, first circle, second circle, first circle, second circle, and the curvature is like this. So this is nothing but opposite side curvature. See here, this is opposite side curvature. If the two circles are here, the curvature will be like this. So this is opposite side curvature. Okay, we have derived this formulas before, so hopefully you remember those formulas. Now let's see. Now this radius of curvature is how much? It is given as 40. So I will write this as R curvature opposite side. Okay, how much? 40. Now what are the formulas for the opposite side? R center equal to R curvature, R center equal to R curvature plus R1. Okay, R center equal to R curvature plus R1. R curvature is 40, R1 is 25. The sum will be how much? 65. Here R center equal to R curvature plus R2 for the second circle. R curvature is how much? R curvature is 40 plus R2 is 12. So the sum will be 52. Okay. So now again, because this curvature is like this in this direction, we have to reverse the page and the center will lie upside. So now also we will draw two arcs like this to get a markers here. Okay. So take the compass and adjust it to 65. Adjust the compass to 65. Now keep it here and draw an arc upside. Okay, this is 65, don't confuse, huh? So awal, this is 55, just writing for your confirmation, okay, so that you will not confuse. Now just now we have drawn 65. Okay, this one is 65, and the old arc is how much? This one is 68. And now what we have to draw? We have to draw 52. Okay, now adjust the compass to 52. Okay, this is almost 52. Now keep the compass here right side and draw an arc. Okay, in order to avoid the confusion, okay, I am erasing this. So this is the point we got here. So this one just now we have drawn, this is 52. So now 65 and 52. Another 65, this is 52. So this is the intersection point. So from that, radius of curvature is how much? 40. Okay, this curvature, radius of curvature is how much? 40. So radius of curvature 40, you have to adjust and draw an arc between these two circles. So this is 40, right? Keep it here at the intersection point and simply join the two circles like this. Okay, so with this question number A is finished, question number 8A is finished. Let's move to question number 8B. For the question number 8B, okay, there are three circles, so we cannot name them as R1, R2 as of now. We will see while drawing the curvatures, we will see, okay, how to name them. So now first we will draw. So there are total how many circles? There are total 6 circles. Okay, so first what we will draw big circles only. We will not draw small circles. First we will draw big circles. Okay, so let's begin with the downside circles. What is the distance between them? The distance between them is 32 plus 40. Okay, 72. So now take the scale, okay, and after taking the scale, draw a line of 72. 32 plus 40 is how much? 72. Okay, from 0 to 72. This is 72. Okay, so from 0 to 72, draw a line. Now at 32, 32 make a dot. 31, 32. So here make a dot. Okay, so from this point to this point, the distance is how much? 32, and from this point to this point, it is 40. Okay, now you have to draw a vertical line of height 60. Okay, so in order to make sure that it is exactly vertical, what you have to do? You have to take a protractor. Okay, take a protractor and keep it here. Keep it exactly at the center. Okay, and mark 90 degrees. So this is 90 degrees. Okay, after marking 90 degrees, what should be the height of the line? Height of that line is 60. So now keep it like this. Just these 2 points should be aligned like this. After that, here it is 6, so we have to mark a point at 0. So this is how much? This will be 60. Okay, so now we have to draw the big circles, not small circles. There are total 6 circles, so we have to draw big. Forget about small. We can draw them later. If you draw everything, you will be confused. Okay, so beginning with the big circle here, it is given as diameter 50. Diameter 50 means radius how much? 25. Okay, no. So now let's take radius 25. How much? 25. Okay, this is 25. Now make a circle of 24. Okay, okay, there is one more circle here down. In this there is one more circle, the small circle. We will draw it later. Okay, if I draw it now, you will be confused. Okay, now here downside there are again two circles here, two circles here. So what is the diameter of the big circle? It is given as diameter 25. Okay, here these two circles, this diameter is for the big circle. Now here for these two small circles the diameter is given as 25. Then radius will be how much? 12.5. Okay, so now let's adjust the radius to 12.5. So this is 12.5. Okay, almost 12.5. Okay, now draw two circles again. Keep the compass here. Draw one circle here and draw the other circle here. Okay, now we have drawn three big circles. Big circle here, big circle here. The remaining three circles we will draw it later. Okay, now see here, there is a curvature here. Okay, there is a curvature here. So what is the radius of curvature? For this curve I am writing everything here. Okay, so radius of curvature for this curve is how much? Radius of curvature given as 70. So when compared to these two, what is R1? R1 is this circle. For these two circles I am considering this as the curvature. So R1 will be how much? R1 is 25 here, this 25, and R2 is this circle. How much? 12.5. Okay, now write the formula. So first we have to discuss which curvature is this. Is this same side or opposite side? See, now these two circles are like this. Okay, these two circles are like this and the curvature is like this. See, first circle, second circle, first circle, second circle, the curvature is like this. So which side of this curvature? This is opposite side. Okay, opposite curvature, opposite side. So now we have to write the formula of opposite side. R center, I am writing the formula for this here. R center equal to R curvature plus R1. Okay, R curvature plus R1, that is how much? R curvature is how much? 70 plus R1 25, it will be 95. Okay, 95 from here. So this formula is for this circle. Now writing for the formula for here, it is R center is equal to R curvature plus R2. So R curvature is how much? 70 plus R2 is 12.5, it will be 82.5. and this is for this circle. Okay, now let's find the center. See, if the two circles are like this, the center is not upside and not downside, it is somewhere here. So we have to draw the arcs here like this. Okay, we have to draw one arc from here and one arc from here, then the center will be like this, then we will draw the curvature. Okay, so for 95, okay, first adjust the scale to 95, sorry, the compass distance to 95. Is how much? 95. Okay, this is 95. So keep it here and make an arc in this direction. Okay, 95. Now from downside, how much? 82.5. Okay, let's make it bigger. Okay, for this circle it is how much? 82.5. 82.5 for this one. 82.5. Okay, 82.5. Now keep the compass here and intersect the arc here. Okay, now remove the extra part. This is the center. Okay, now what is the radius of curvature? Radius of curvature is 70. Now we have to take the compass and adjust it to 70. Okay, so this is 70. Now keep the compass here and first check whether these are going smoothly or not. Okay, adjust them accordingly and draw a smooth curvature like this. Okay, from here. Now second thing is here. What about this curvature? This is same side or opposite side? Here there are two circles and the curvature is like this in this direction. Okay, so this is same curvature. Okay, these are two circles and the curvature is downside. Curvature is located downside, so it is of same curvature. So now you have to write the formula of same curvature. Okay, same curvature, what are the formulas? R center equal to R center. Okay, and what is the curvature here? The curvature given as R curvature. R curvature here it is given as 105. R curvature is 105. Radius 1. Radius 1 is how much? This radius is 12.5. And this will become second circle. Second circle also same 12.5. Now I am writing the formulas. R center is equal to R curve minus R1. R curvature is how much? 105. Okay, R curvature is 105 minus R1. is 12.5. So it will be how much? 92.5. Similarly here for this circle, so this will be for this circle, okay? This is for this circle. Now I am writing the formula for this right side circle. R center equal to R curvature minus R2. R curvature is how much? 105 minus R2 is 12.5. It will be how much? 92.5. So this one is for this circle. So now you want a curvature like this. Okay, the center will be which side? Upside. So we have to make the arcs here, upside, somewhere here. 92 with radius how much? Both the sides 92.5. Here also 92.5. So adjust the compass to 92.5. Okay, so 92.5, keep it here and make an arc like this. And also from the right side 92.5. Right side is also how much? 92.5. So make an arc like this. So both will be intersected here. Okay, at some point here. So this is the center of the big circle. Okay, now you can draw the now you can draw the curvature. Okay, this same curvature with radius of curvature as 105. Now adjust the leg length to 105. Take the radius of curvature as 105. Okay. So this is 105. Now keep the compass here and first check whether they are touching or not. Okay, so draw a smooth curve like this. Okay, don't extend beyond. So now this is also finished. Okay, so if you don't want these extra parts, you can remove them. Now next thing, so here this is a complete curvature. Here also it is a complete curvature, but in this direction this is not a complete curvature. Okay, it is a curvature between a line and a one line and one circle. So first for the line, what you have to do, there is a line. See here, take the scale and draw a exact straight line from here. Okay, so this is the straight line. Adjust the scale like this so that it is exactly perpendicular and draw a straight line first. So this is the straight line. Okay, first draw a straight line. After that, so what is the curvature given here? Here the curvature is given as, I am writing for this here. Okay, R curvature R curvature is given as 16. Okay, R curvature is given as 16. Okay, now for the line, what is the procedure? We have to make another line at a distance of 16 from the first line. So now from here, keep the scale at 16. Okay, the radius of curvature is how much? 16. Now measure 16. See, 0, 10, 15, 16. Keep 16 at this end and make a point here, and also downside keep this at 16. Okay, now draw a line. By connecting these two, draw a line. After drawing this line, so this procedure is for the line. This procedure is for the line. Line is finished now. Okay, so this distance is how much? 16. From here to here, the distance is 16. So this distance is 16. Now second is what? This circle. So whenever there is a circle and we have to draw a tangent between the circle and a line, what we have to do? We have to write the formula. So only R1. Now R1 is how much? So this is the circle, only one circle, one line. Okay, combination of method B and C in the previous sheets. Okay, so R1 is how much? 12.5. This circle is of radius 12.5. And which side it is? Same side or opposite side? The curvature is lying opposite. Okay, so it is opposite side, right? So for the opposite side, what is the formula? The curvature is lying outside, so it is opposite side. Okay, for the opposite side, what is the formula? R center equal to R curvature plus R1. So now R curvature is how much? 16 plus R1 is 12.5. The sum will be 28.5. Okay, now take the compass. Okay, take the compass and adjust it to 28.5. Adjust it to 28.5. Okay, so after adjusting it to 28.5, keep it here and make an arc so that it will intersect this line at a distance of 16. So this is the point. So now what is the radius of curvature? Radius of curvature is 16. Now adjust the radius of curvature to 16. Take the compass and adjust it to 16. Okay, adjust it to 16 and keep it here and simply draw a smooth curve so that it will touch this line and this. So after touching here, simply make it darker. From here to here, make this line darker. Okay, So now the most stuff is completed, only the remaining part is the small circles. So what is the small circle here? Okay, till now only we have drawn the big circles. Now we have to draw the small circles. Small circle here, the diameter is how much? The second circle diameter 32. If the diameter is 32, radius will be how much? 16. So now take the compass, and I think it is 16 already. We have set it to 16, right? Yes. Now keep it here and draw the small circles also. Now here also there are two small circles of diameter 15. This is the big circle. The small circle is of diameter 15. Then the radius will be how much? Radius will be 7.5. Okay. Now set the radius to 7.5. Okay. Set the radius to 7.5. Okay. Set the radius to 7.5. And draw two small circles from here. Okay, and also right side. With this question number 8 we also finish. Okay, thank you.